Good morning, everybody. Hi, how are you? Dear children, today I am going to start the second part of your English reader, The Tale of a Tale. T-A-L-E, tale. What do you mean by tale? T-A-L-E, tale. Tale means story. And T-A-I-L, tale. Tale means part of a body of an animal. The tale of a tale. In this story, you'll read about a character named Swaminathan who gets very angry with the friends for something. Is he able to solve his problem, or does it lead to another fight? There is a question of problem solving skills. Really, you are small kids, and Swaminathan was also reading like you, only in class 5. And one day when he entered into the classroom, he listens the sound of giggling around his benches. He ignores first of all, overlooks it, and went to his seat. But when he sits at his seat, he finds that giggling could not stop. All of a sudden, his eyes went to the blackboard, and there he finds that one word is written in a very bold letter, TIL, till. He became very angry, and he went to P, one of the boy reading in the same class, and just without asking the reason who has written or not written, just on the basis of his doubt, he slapped one hand on his cheek. What happens? P reacted and replied him that he had not done it. So he went to one of his another friend, and he was Shankar. He slapped the Shankar also. But Shankar could not tolerate it. He started to fight with him. And thereafter what happened? That a chaotic situation created in the class. Both of them started to scratch each other, pushing each other, kicking each other. This started in the class. Last day we have learned up to here the first part. Today we are going to discuss about the second part. As the bell rang, just then Rajam, Shomu, and Mani entered. Means all three students entered into the class. One of the teacher, he also came to the class. He stood aghast. A-G-H-A-S-T, aghast. Aghast means amazement. A-M-A-Z-E-M-E-N-T, amazement. He could do little more than look on. He was a very calm teacher, composed teacher. He could not interfere them. He was the old Tamil Pandit, the most composed teacher in the school. Shomu and Monu parted fighters with great difficulty. In Somu and Monu interfered between Shankar and Swaminathan, and they parted, separated both of them. Somu said, "Sir, please let us go out." Somu requested the teacher, means Pandit teacher, Tamil teacher, "Sir, let us go out." Means we want to go out. We do not want to disturb the class. It was a very justified decision. But what was the religion of a subject teacher? Could he allow them? Or should he solve the problem? The teacher started to answer, but Mani had already gone out. Means they do not care the teacher and went out the class, pushing Swaminathan and P before him. Means before the teacher, he dragged the students out of the class. Somu followed him with Shankar. Somu also went along with them. All the friends came to a lonely spot in a field adjoining the school. And all the students came out from the school, and nearby the school very lonely places, means there was no man there or anyone else. They stood there. And now what is happening, that we are going to see here. There was silence for a while, and then Mani said, now Mani starts to speak. What is wrong with you? You little rogues. ROGUS, rogues means mischievous. Means Mani there start to justify the problem, the fighting, that who is fighting and why they are fighting. The three started to speak at once. But when he asked, but all the three students started to speak, P, Swaminathan and Shankar. Swaminathan's voice was the loudest. He was speaking very loudly. P wrote, he is speaking, he means he, just denoting towards the P, that he has written a big tale on the blackboard. He replied, no, I didn't. He screamed and cried very loudly. The other two wrote it. He is explaining that he had not written, other two had written. Cried Swaminathan, pointing at Shankar. Rascal, did you see me? Rascal is a bad language, means mean, M-E-N, mean. Shah, hauled Shankar, means cried Shankar. Now Shankar is crying. Mani covered their mouths with his hand. Mani covered the mouth with his hand. What is a tail anyway? He asked. He asked that, what do you mean by tail? And why he became so much angry? Sobbing, Swaminathan told, they call me Rajan's tail. They call me Rajan's tail. Mani and Rajan were shorn image. Means very old image. There was a frozen expression over Mani's face. Frozen means crusted over freezing. He asked, and who dares to talk of Rajam here? If any of you fellows have done it, growled Mani. Mani is asking that any one of you have done it. He cried, complained angrily, looking at the trembling Shankar and P. And Shankar and P, both of them were trembling in horror. If they have, what can you do? Asked Somu with a sarcastic smile. Somu asked, if they had done it, then what can you do? With a mocking smile. Means he triggered the situations more horrible. Look here, Mani, Somu cried for a long time. I have been waiting to tell you this. You think too much of yourself and your powers. Now he is giving the challenge. Oh Mani, Somu cried. For a long time I have been waiting to tell you. Mani, Somu is giving challenge to Mani. You think too much of yourself and your powers. You think that you are too much powerful. Mani swung his hand and brought it down on Somu's neck. Now Mani became very angry and just caught his hand and brought down on Somu's neck. Somu pushed it away with a heavy blow. Somu pushed him. Mani aimed a kick at Somu, but he steps aside, and now Mani kicked him. But he saved himself, means fighting started. The three youngsters could hardly believe their eyes. They could not believe that what is going on. No one was there, no teacher was there, at a lone place. All of them were fighting. Somu and Mani, the best friend, were fighting. Both of them were best friends, now they are fighting. They had lost their heads. Means they become mad. They thought that Somu and Mani were killing each other. Like this they were fighting. They looked at each other and they ran toward the school. Now they ran toward the school, both of them, Somu and Mani. They burst in upon the headmaster. When they reached to complain the headmaster, they entered all of a sudden into the headmaster's chambers. who gathered from them with a great difficulty. Now headmaster, with a very great difficulty, separated both of them because they both of them look like two murderers. They could murder each other. At that very moment, he laughed it off at first, but the excitement and the seriousness of the boy made him scratch his chin. First of all, he laughed at both of them, but because of the seriousness, all of a sudden he became very serious and started to scratch the chin. He called a peon. Now the headmaster calls a peon and set off to the field with him. Now they went to the field. The fighters rolling and rolling over one another were everywhere in the field. Now when they reached to the field, they find that all the fighters were fighting each other and rolling one upon another. The headmaster and the peon easily picked them apart. Headmaster and peon, both of them separated from the fightings, and it was much to the astonishment, astonishment, astonishment means wonder, of Swaminathan, much to the wonder of Swaminathan, surprised, who had thought till then that the strength that Somu or Mani possesses was not possessed by anyone else in the world. It was the thought of Swaminathan that Mani and Somu, both of them were very powerful boys. All the 5 boys quietly followed the headmaster to his room. Now, headmaster called all the boys to the chamber. You can think it now that what would have happened, whether all of them were suspended, whether their parents would have called and they would have been informed about the mischievous act of all these children. What could have been happened? But they followed the headmasters. The story comes to end here. What message we get here? That if somebody teach you, you should or one should contact to the or complain to the class teacher, then headmaster. One should not take the law and order in the hand. Isn't it? This is the message of the chapter, because this will create a chaotic situation in the school, and in that situations one can be terminated from the school. So fighting should not be taken place in the school at any cost, and we get the message that whenever if somebody teaches, comment us, remarks on us, we should try to cope up with them, and we should complain to the class teacher, subject teacher or the headmaster and try to find out the solution. And if somebody has written on the blackboard, we should try to know the reason. Means if a problem has created without seeing someone else, we should not start to fight or we should start to slap someone else. First of all, we should try to know the reason, that who has written, why has written, for whom he has written. Like this should not happen. So my dear children, this is all about your chapter, The Tale of a Tale. If you like this video, I appeal you everybody, you must give a like and subscribe it also. In next video, I will discuss about the question answers also. This is the second part of the video, The Tale of a Tale. T-A-L-E, tale means a story, and T-A-I-L, tale means the part of a body of an animal. That's all. Thank you. Goodbye.